1. Beak.
B E A K.
This is the hard part of a bird's mouth. 2. Beetle.
B E E T L E.
It is an insect with a hard case on its back, covering its wings. 3. Butterfly.
B U T T E R F L Y.
It is a flying insect with 4 beautiful colored wings. 4. Feather.
F E A T H E R.
It is light and covers a bird's body. 5. Flamingo.
F L A M I N G O.
It is a beautiful white or black bird with a long thin neck. It lives on the water. 6. Ladybug.
L A D Y B U G.
This insect is often red with black dots on its body. 7. Parrot.
P A R R O T.
This is a colorful bird that can copy human speech. 8. Pigeon.
P I G E O N.
It is a fat gray and white bird with short legs. 9. Sparrow.
S P A R R O W.
It is a small brown and gray bird. 10. Spider.
S P I D E R.
It is an insect with 8 legs. It spins a web to catch bugs for food. 11. Swan.
S W A N.
It is a beautiful white or black bird with a long thin neck. It lives on water. 12. Tiny.
T I N Y.
It means very small in size or amount. 13. Wing.
W I N G.
This part of the bird's body helps it fly. 14. Worm.
W O R M.
It is a long, tiny creature with a soft body and no bones or legs.